Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how you can create YouTube shorts, multiple YouTube shorts at a time. So guys, this is a very important videos for YouTubers and for digital content creators. So you can easily make a faceless YouTube channel and upload shorts and get subscribers and earn money through YouTube. So today's video is important, so stay tuned with me and I will teach you. So let's get started. Here I search for YouTube shorts. YouTube shorts. So guys, the size of YouTube shorts is 1080 by 1920 pixels. So I select this one and it is loading. So guys, I click on create a blank YouTube short. So this is a blank YouTube short, and also YouTube Canva provide different YouTube shorts templates. So guys, in this video, due to the video duration, I just create five YouTube shorts at a time, and you can easily make hundreds of YouTube shorts at a time. I just want you to show the path, and you can easily create multiple shorts at a time. So let's get started. First of all, I go to videos and here I search motivation like fitness, and the videos are here. I want this video and set video as a background and reduce the size of the YouTube short. So after that I go to text, add heading, I write here title and change the color of the text. That's it. After that, the first part of video is done. After that I go to bulk create and enter data manually. I clear the table and here I write title. That's it. After that I go to the notepad. Here I write 30 motivational quotes. So I select some of them, Control C, copy them and paste it here. So as you can see, I paste 9 quotes, and you can paste as many quotes as you wish, like 100 quotes, 500 quotes, 300 quotes. It depends upon your YouTube shorts quantity. So I click on done, and after that I click on this text and press write and connect data and title. So as you can see, the title is connected. After that continue, and you can see 9 quotes are connected, generate pages. So it will generate me 9 YouTube shorts. So let's see. So guys, you can see it create us 6 reels. So now our work is to adjust the size of our text like this one. So first reel is ready. After that second reel, and reduce the size of the text and adjust the text, but now we have to change the background. So I go to videos, here I search fitness, click on fitness and select this video and replace background. So as you can see, I reduce the YouTube short time. So as you can see, our second short is ready. After that third short, click on the text, shorten the text, increase the size of the text, and that's it. Again, change, replace background, and that's it. So guys, in this way you can create as many shots as you can. You just have to select the text and adjust it and change the background video. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.